Hey everyone! Today, I'm showing you how to convert an image into a PDF using WPS Office for free. It's quick, easy, and works on any device. Let's get started. If you're new to WPS Office, it's a free, all-in-one app for documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and PDFs. I've linked it in the description, so grab it if you don't have it yet. Alright, here's how to do it. Open WPS Office. Launch the app and head to the PDF section. It's right on the home screen. Select your image. Click Picture to PDF. Choose your image or multiple images if you're combining them, and hit Open. Preview and adjust. In the preview, you can rearrange the order, resize, or add margins. It's super intuitive, so tweak it to your liking. Convert to PDF. When you're ready, hit Export to PDF. Name your file, choose where to save it, and click Save. That's it. Your image is now a PDF. And that's it. A quick, easy way to turn images into PDFs with WPS Office. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.